Alright, it's been a long time since I've done anything cosmetically to this car. As you guys know, I put this wing on the back of it not too long ago, and when I swapped this trunk back over to it, if you could see my tag lights, this one works and this one doesn't. They keep blowing out, so I'm gonna have to swap them out. So I have over here some lights from Diode Dynamics. These are for the reverse lights, LED. This is for the interior trunk light, and these are for the tag lights. So we're going to be swapping those out today, parting everything in my trunk. There's a lot of shit in here. This is the interior trunk light we're going to be swapping. So there's that. We have the tag lights here and here, which they look kind of bad. So these covers look kind of bad too. I don't know if they're like fogged up and they can't be fixed. I might have to replace them, but we're going to take them out and see. And then we're also going to be swapping your reverse lights, the ones that are here and here. So we'll pull all those out. I'll show you how to get to all of them. And then the car will be nice and bright in the back, and it'll match how clean everything is back here with the tail lights, the trunk, everything. So we're going to get started. We'll probably do the reverse lights first, and then we'll do tag lights, and then the interior trunk light. Before we get started, I want to show you guys what the lights originally look like. They're a little yellowy. You're not really going to see them that great right now because it's daytime. I filmed them last night so you can kind of get an idea, but I used my phone, so we'll see how that comes out. But they're kind of yellow, and we're going to swap them for the Diode Dynamics, and they're going to be bright white when I'm done. So these LEDs are fairly simple. It's kind of hard to get under here when you don't lift the car up, but I don't really need to. There's a little piece right here. Your light bulb's on. You're going to twist it, pull it out, and the bulbs literally just plug and play. Pull them out, swap the new one in, and then put it back. So I'll see if I can do it now, but there you go. Twist it like that, and then it pulls right out. And there is your stock bulb. And we're going to swap it for the LEDs, and then put it right back in. Okay, new ones are in. Simple enough. Took about 30 seconds to do those, so shouldn't have too much of an issue doing them. Just twist, pop them out. These are the old bulbs here. We won't be needing these anymore, so put them over here. And now we will do the tag lights. Okay, to get to the tag lights is also very simple. They are literally right here. Grab this piece, twist, pull it out. There's your bulb. Pull that bulb out and then swap it for one of these guys and then put it back in. Okay, once you do the same thing on the other side, you'll be done doing these lights. I think I'm gonna have to get new of these lens covers. I don't think you could see it, but they look a little foggy and it makes it kind of hard to see the lights that are in there, so I might have to buy new ones of those. They've been on the car for 5 years and on 2 different trunks, so maybe shit got inside of them and it kind of destroyed them a little bit, so I might end up buying new ones of those. Last one we have to do is the trunk light. It's right in here, and we'll be good to go, and then I'll show you before and afters. I did film some of the before, and I filmed the afters in the daylight too, but at night is where you're really going to see the difference. So we're going to finish that last light, and then we're all done. Okay, to get this out, you're going to need to unplug this plug right here, and then just like all the other lights, it's twist and pull down. This whole thing comes out, and I believe there's 2 release clips right here and right here. I'll take it over to the table there, pop that off, and then we will swap this bulb into there and then just put it all back together and we're done. Okay, here's our old bulb that was in there, and here is the new one. We're going to put this cover back on, put it all back together, and then we're going to be done here. Alright, now this is the finished product of everything. These are the reverse lights. The tag lights are here and here. We'll see how they turn out. If I do need to buy new covers for them, I will. They're not too expensive, so I'll buy those. And there is the interior trunk light, which is very bright, which is going to be awesome at night getting stuff in and out of this car. Alright guys, that was a quick little install on the BRZ. I'm going to have more stuff coming along the way. There's going to be a video out this week that's going to be pretty big, so stay tuned for that. But again, if you want to like clean up the back end of the car, with some nice LED lights. This is a good way to do it. This kit is from Diode Dynamics. They have all kinds of different types of light you can get, super white lights, all kinds of stuff. So they do support the BRZ very well. So if you do want to do LED lights on the car, they are a very good option, not too expensive, and very easy to install. So I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.